Aloha, welcome to Hawaii. We are here gonna ride some elevators. Let's go. That's right, everybody. We are here in Honolulu, Hawaii. Our first destination is the Moana Surfrider. This was opened in March 11th of 1901 as Waikiki's first hotel. This is located at 2365 Kalakaua Avenue. Here's some fun facts about the hotel. The hotel was built before Waikiki was developed and became a popular area. It featured the first electric-powered elevator in Hawaii. This was originally a 75-room hotel, which was later expanded with wings in 1918 and 1952 to form its current H shape. It is listed on the National Register of Historic Places and is a member of Historic Hotels in America. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's get to our first tower. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you later. Alright everybody, we are here at the Moana Surfrider at the Westin Resort in Honolulu. These have some old elevators in the process of being modernized. This is the oldest hotel and the first opened hotel in Honolulu. It's got a rotodial indicator. Look at that indicator.
I am.
Mitsubishi. That's cool.
What type is it?
Mitsubishi. This is elevator M4. We'll go that way, look around that way.
No, I want to go outside and look at the beach and stuff.
Okay, we will. Oh, here it is. Oh, excuse us. No. Wow, it's a tiny lobby elevator. Let's go to 6. Here we go, new indicator.
You think this is the original? They just remodeled it?
Not this one, it's the towers.
How many elevators do you think they got in here?
Well, this is elevator 4. You wanna get out at 6? See if we can get a view.
Yeah, we gotta go get it.
Woo. Huh. Can't go out there. Oh yeah, you can. It's locked on the outside.
It's what?
It's locked on the outside.
You just push it open. Look at the fire hose. This place is classy.
It is.
Tom would like that.
He definitely would. Going down? Lobby?
Thank you. Yes, thank you.
That's cool.
Lobby. Have a good one.
Thank you.
Alright, let's go this way.
How about up here?
You wanna go look out here first? Alright, this is the first tower here. These have not been touched yet. These are still Mitsubishis.
Very
Going up. What floor?
16.
16, let's go to the penthouse.
Wow. That's cool.
21 floors.
Yep. Pretty fast.
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't have that irritating beep.
No.
the other one.
Nice chimes though. Here at 16. Have a good one.
Yep.
Look at those lanterns. Those are nice. Ooh, we do have to sample something.
What?
These are Mitsubishis, meaning these have something really rare that other elevators don't. I want to try it here at the Penthouse. Look at this. Hit 2, double tap it.
We going?
Does it not work? Oh, it doesn't work on this one. Let's get out. Service elevators? What? What are these? Oh, this is a service elevator. Huh. I wonder what the inside of it looks like. I wonder if it's padded. Should I call it up? All right. That's really weird. Are these all service elevators or? Because this
Who
one.
knows? It says no dogs allowed.
Because these three are.
Put the mic on the inside here.
These three are the inside. Wait, does it have the original chirp? That's a service then. Look at that. That's the service.
This one doesn't say employees only.
No, it doesn't. That goes to the basement. Oh, it has the original lantern. Let's go down to 16. We're not going to take this for a big ride. It has a basement though. Oh, it doesn't have the original chirp. Here at 16, you want to get back out?
Yeah, I thought you said we're going to take another one.
Yeah, you want to take...
What's this one over here?
These are the originals. These are the
I know,
passengers.
but did we come up on that one?
We came up on that one.
Okay. Okay.
But yeah, look at the difference of the lanterns here. That one has, it's sideways. This one has it upwards.
Is that because it can't fit an upwards one over there?
It looks like it. All right, let's take it, the passenger ones down and head to the other tower. That was a bonus.
Emergency
It's this one.
Let's go. Get in.
That was a bonus. Is it here? The lantern's lit. That's glitched.
Why?
That's lit.
So it's not going down or what?
I don't know.
It's been beeping.
There it is.
since it's in.
Now it's here. You going to lobby?
Yep.
All right. Lobby.
Did it.
Let's head to the other tower.
You're on.
All right. Oh, wait. These are some more elevators here at the Moana Surfrider. This one. These go up to 6. Huh. 6? I wonder if there's...
This is the old one, original?
These are all original.
No, I
But
meant
there's
the
one
older
tower
hotel.
here.
This is the original hotel.
This is the original hotel. There must be another tower here because another tower is getting modernized. Here you're at 6. Can I get out?
I don't care. We got a view.
Where does it go? Out
Is that
here.
the same view we were?
Yeah. That is over there because of that
We
lobby.
yeah, that's the one we came up with. So,
Sit back down.
is this a different one?
No, it's the same one. Lobby? Really? Mitsubishi, these ones don't have like the double tap cancel thing.
What's that mean?
Because if you hit a floor and you don't want to go there, you can normally double tap it and it cancels the call.
Sweet.
Only for Mitsubishis, but these don't have it. Here, lobby?
Yeah.
I wonder if there's another tower. Let's go check out the other side.
What?
Other side. Here we go. This is a different wing. Yeah, these are pretty nice. Is this a diamond wing?
What?
Diamond wing. the shop. Oh, there's another elevator.
Is this an M5?
This is M5. Let's go down to the basement. It's unlocked. White lanterns. And they stay lit. Oh, it's this one. This is like an express elevator. 7?
Going up.
Yeah, it's kitchen. That's kitchen and laundromat for staff.
Guest laundry. We can bring our laundry here. Actually, we'll ask them today if they have laundry.
This one's slow. Man, it's really slow.
But it's nice.
It is nice. Look at the glass lanterns.
Interesting.
7th floor.
Lobby? You want?
Oh, what is this?
Whoa. Like a extra. Is it like the roof of this area? Lobby? Nice buttons too.
Okay, is this the last one?
Nope, we got that tower.
Okay, then that's it.
Yep. You know, I'm even more surprised those service elevators were out in the open. They would normally be in a locked room. Here we are at lobby.
Lobby floor.
It's going down.
Yes.
Who's this? Morning. Alright, diamond ring. Diamond wing. Get outside. Alright, diamond wing should be back here. What? Never seen that before. Hold on. I'm guessing this is the only... That's cool. What?
$32?
What?
$38?
Express elevator? Here, beat that lantern's permanent.
Going up.
Guest laundry.
38 is unlocked? No way.
Some more floors than ours.
Oh no, fake floors.
Oh.
I was gonna say. Fake floors.
Floor 38.
Let's get out and go to the tower.
No, or not. Let's try 37 to get out. This whole place is under construction.
Floor 37.
So this can
Down.
we're just gonna go down to lobby.
Yes.
She's like, no way. This whole place is under construction. Very nice elevators though. I wonder what we're getting modernized. Like, I don't know if we're missing a tower, or is it just lobby?
Lobby.
Lobby.
Okay.
Let's go this way. That's annoying. Are you serious?
Is that it?
That's another one. Do you want to ride it?
No.
Oh, that's employee. That's employee. How many? There's like...
Bonus?
If no one's in it. This is employee elevator number 2. If no one's in it. I don't think we should be going... Whoa. Fire hose. Sign. Here it is. Or it's on 32. Huh. Well, here it is. I wonder if no one's in here. Oh,
It's trash.
man. You want to ride it?
No.
No?
It
Whoa.
says employee elevator.
Alright.
Good. Alright.
That's weird. Alright, that's it for this hotel. The Moana Surfrider. Thank you guys so much for watching our first ever Honolulu, Hawaii elevator. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.